Ever wondered how machines seem to think on their own? This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a reality we're living in, thanks to the marvels of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known. Today, AI is everywhere. It's in our phones, cars, watches, and is even helping doctors diagnose diseases. The buzz around AI is deafening, and why not? We've got OpenAI's ChatGPT, a language model that can chat like a human, generative AI that can create new content, and even tools that can convert text to images and videos. But what's beneath all this buzz? What makes AI work? And how is it changing our world? Well, that's what we're here to discover. So buckle up and let's dive into the AI world and unravel the mystery together. AI is everywhere and it's creating a lot of buzz. It's become so ingrained in our lives that we often don't even realize when we're interacting with it. From our smartphones to our smart homes, AI is the invisible force that's making things tick. But what exactly is AI? Well, buckle up because we're about to take a deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Let's start with something you might have heard of: OpenAI's ChatGPT. This is a prime example of how AI is changing the way we communicate. It's like having a conversation with a super smart robot that understands context, nuance, and even humor. But ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI technologies that are currently creating a buzz. Next up, we have generative AI. This technology is all about creating new content, from images to music to text. It's the secret sauce behind those viral deepfake videos and the stunningly realistic computer-generated art that's been popping up on your social media feeds. Then there are large language models. These AI systems are designed to understand and generate human language in a way that's indistinguishable from a human writer. They can write essays, answer questions, and even write code. And let's not forget about text-to-image and text-to-video tools. These AI-powered tools can generate realistic images or videos from a simple text description. Imagine typing sunset over a beach and seeing a breathtaking image or video of exactly that appear on your screen. But what does all this jargon mean? It's easy to get lost in the buzzwords and forget about the real-world applications of these technologies. So let's break it down. At its core, AI is all about automation and augmentation. It's about using machines to automate tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence, and augmenting our abilities with the power of machine learning. But as with any technology, AI isn't without its challenges and controversies. We'll delve into those in the next segment. So, stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mysteries of AI. Neural networks, deep learning, reinforcement learning. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, isn't it? But all these are core components of artificial intelligence, and understanding them is easier than you might think. Let's break it down. Consider neural networks. Picture your brain, a complex, intricate web of neurons, each neuron connected to others, forming a vast network. Now, imagine a simplified version of this network, a system designed to mimic how your brain processes information. That's essentially what a neural network is. It's a computer system modeled on the human brain and nervous system, designed to recognize patterns and interpret sensory data. Next up, deep learning. You know how humans learn from experience, right? We touch a hot stove, feel the burn, and learn not to do it again. Deep learning operates on a similar principle. It's a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks to learn from vast amounts of data. Just as we learn from experience, deep learning algorithms learn from data, improving their performance over time. Lastly, let's talk about reinforcement learning. Imagine you're playing a video game. You explore the game, making various moves. Some lead to rewards, others to penalties. Over time, you learn which moves are beneficial and which are not, and you adjust your strategy accordingly. Reinforcement learning is the same concept. It's a type of machine learning where an AI agent learns to make decisions by taking actions in an environment to maximize some notion of cumulative reward. So, neural networks, deep learning, reinforcement learning, they aren't as intimidating as they sound, are they? They're just concepts, tools that AI uses to learn, make decisions, and improve. And understanding these terms is the first step towards understanding AI. AI is not just another upgrade, it's a game changer. To understand why, let's revisit the concept of sustaining versus disruptive technologies. Picture this: you're eagerly awaiting the latest iPhone. It arrives sleek and shiny, with a few cool new features and a slightly better camera. This is a prime example of sustaining technology. It's an improvement, yes, but it's not radically altering the way we live or work. Now, let's rewind to 2007, the year the first iPhone was introduced. This was no mere upgrade. It was a revolution. A smartphone that combined a phone, an iPod, and an internet communication device into one handheld device. That's what we call a disruptive technology. It didn't just improve on existing tech, it completely reshaped the market and our daily lives. So where does AI fit into this? AI, my friends, is not just an upgrade. It's not just a better version of existing technology. It's a whole new ballgame. Just as the first iPhone was a quantum leap from the basic mobile phones of its time, AI represents a seismic shift in technology's capabilities. From generative AI, which can create stunningly realistic images from simple text descriptions, to large language models that can write essays or generate code, AI is pushing the boundaries of what we thought machines could do. It's not just enhancing our existing tools, it's creating entirely new possibilities. But it's not just about what AI can do, it's about what it enables us to do. With AI, we can diagnose diseases more accurately, personalize our online experiences, and even develop self-driving cars. AI is not merely improving our lives, it's reshaping them. But just like every technological revolution, AI comes with its own set of challenges. It's a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. And as we continue to integrate AI into our daily lives, we must also grapple with its limitations and potential pitfalls. AI is reshaping the technological landscape, but it's not without its pitfalls. As we navigate this brave new world, it's essential to understand both the incredible potential of AI and the challenges it poses. Only then can we unlock its true potential and ensure it benefits us all. Like a superhero, AI has its strengths and weaknesses. It's a complex character with a potential to soar high and transform our world, but also with vulnerabilities that can sometimes lead to unexpected pitfalls. Now let's talk about the strengths first. AI is incredibly powerful when it comes to processing data. It can sift through mountains of information, spot patterns, and provide accurate results at a speed that's simply beyond human capacity. This makes it a powerful tool for innovation and problem-solving in numerous fields, from healthcare to finance to transport. How about a world where AI aids doctors in diagnosing diseases early? Or where AI algorithms help predict financial market trends? Or even imagine self-driving cars that make our roads safer and our journeys more comfortable? These are not just sci-fi fantasies, but real possibilities that AI can make a reality. But just like our favorite superheroes, AI has its kryptonite. One major weakness is the potential for bias. AI learns from data, and if that data reflects societal biases, the AI can inadvertently perpetuate those biases. This can lead to unfair outcomes in critical areas like job recruiting or loan approvals. Another concern is the misuse of AI. In the wrong hands, AI can be used to spread misinformation, commit cybercrimes, or even create deepfakes, highly realistic and deceptive fake videos or audio. Then there's the issue of privacy. With AI's ability to collect and analyze massive amounts of data, there are valid concerns about how that data is used and who has access to it. So, you see, understanding these strengths and weaknesses is key to harnessing the power of AI. Because only when we acknowledge and address these issues can we truly unlock the potential of AI and use it to create a better, more equitable, and more sustainable future. AI is not just about robots, it's about shaping our future. We've journeyed from the buzz of AI, exploring groundbreaking tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT, generative AI, large language models, and text-to-image utilities. We've navigated the often confusing maze of AI terminology, breaking down complex concepts like neural networks and deep learning into digestible bytes. We've seen how AI stands as a disruptive technology, promising revolution in fields from personalized recommendations to medical diagnostics and autonomous vehicles. And we've acknowledged that, like every superhero, AI has its strengths and weaknesses. It's a potent tool with the power to reshape our world, but one that must be wielded with care and understanding. As we continue to demystify AI, remember that this is not the end, but merely the beginning of our exploration. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep unraveling the mysteries of AI together.